Welcome to your own channel, ATP for Learning. I am Aashish. Today, we are continuing our journey of learning. The topic for today is transfer RNA or tRNA. That is, do you know what is transfer RNA or tRNA? Transfer RNA, abbreviated as tRNA, is a small RNA molecule that plays a key role in protein synthesis. Transfer RNA serves as a link or adaptor between the messenger RNA or mRNA molecule and the growing chain of amino acids that make up a protein. Each time an amino acid is added to the chain, a specific tRNA pairs with its complementary sequence on the mRNA molecule, ensuring that the appropriate amino acid is inserted into the protein being synthesized. So tRNAs are in a way one of the molecules that I find really fascinating. Imagine a chef, a master chef cooking in a kitchen. But of course, they're so busy and so involved that they need someone to bring them the appropriate ingredients so that they can cook up their fabulous meal. So really, when we think about the process in which an amino acid is constructed, the DNA, of course, is the code. So in a chef analogy, it would be the recipe. The chef, themselves, is the ribosomal machinery that's actually creating the meal. But really, the tRNA is that very, very important person in the kitchen that goes and fetches the specific amino acids that are needed as a protein gets constructed according to the code of DNA. So this is a very particular kind of RNA that has a unique job of making sure that just the right amino acid is transferred, or that's why it's tRNA, into the growing chain of the protein as it gets constructed. Thank you for joining me in the amazing journey of learning. We will again meet with some new innovative topics. Please support me by liking, sharing and subscribing.